2 train stands. We were in Chicago by the bridge, and we were at the shop where they just like fish right here and they cook it in the shop over there. And then I heard idling, and there comes a train on the train bridge. So if I could just get up there. Oh yeah, there he comes. I think he's coming on that bridge over there. Oh, you can see him. I think it's a CN. I could see him. He's like over there, kind of. I think this is like a coal train. Ooh, looks like a BNSF connected to him. Ooh, looks like a CN and something. I don't know. He's like over there, kind of like. Oh yeah, he's going across that bridge. I think I just saw him right there. Oh yeah, here he comes. Ooh, it's a BNSF. BNSF. He is way over there. I'm trying to zoom in as possible as I can. Ooh, no way, it's a double BNSF. That is so cool. I think these are rare. I think BNSF is rare because you don't find them oftenly. Ooh, it's a cool BNSF. That is pretty cool. It's a BNSF coal train. Yeah, on the bridge, there's like a bridge over here on the Chicago bridge, and then there's the train bridge. There's like a main rail yard over by it. I think there's like also a train bridge or like over there, it's kind of like, and then yeah. There's like crossings like over there, like way over there, and it's like a mini rail yard, but yeah, it's pretty crazy to find this. Because I'm surprised that I actually found a BNSF. So I'm going to end the video here. Bye, guys.